Yeah, the whole big thing you're breaking into smaller details. And for that you've got to slow down, and that's why. That's one of the basic principles, and that's what we're going to learn now. Okay? For that you will have to do one thing. You'll have to start maybe removing the... I'll show it how. We'll do this and then I'll take questions and then we can call it a day. Is that okay with you all? Because I think just two things is good enough. Yeah? Simply standing. Again the pose is same. So move on to one side, empty one foot, lift up, bring it up to the toes and just take it ahead, put the heel down first, bring it down and then move on to the front foot till it becomes heavy and the other foot is lifting itself. It's as if you are walking. Is that clear? And then put it down and then move into the other one and then yeah, this is one of the simple ways of doing it. Is that clear? You can just move and then you can go around. There are different ways of doing this. There are some people doing it differently. They do it like this, right? And then they go like this. There are different people doing differently. So you might watch a video or something, you might see different people doing differently. Okay? But each one has their own way. Is that clear? It is not that one is wrong and another is right or one is better than the other. No. Each teacher, each school has their own way of doing it. It's like reading some astrology or doing some tarot card. हर एक अपना अपना तरीका है, गलत कुछ नहीं है. Right? But the basic principles should not change. Okay? And for me, I would like to make it very simple, so I just do this. Okay? And when you come here, remember the other foot is free. So you can actually make it a simple walk kind of thing. And once you have put your toe down, then you go ahead and automatically the other foot comes up. And then as if you're just walking. Remember, rest of the hands and the spine, they're all very relaxed. And then you can always go back. And when you go back, you're putting your toe down first, not the heel. When you're coming ahead, you put the heel down first and then the toes. And maintaining that 1 foot distance is the key. Okay? Oh, you got it? So you will maintain the 1 foot distance all throughout. And remember, even if you come closer, don't worry initially. There's nothing right or wrong about it. Yeah? But then try to maintain the 1 foot distance. Is that okay? Shall we do it? Come. You can remove the chairs, move the chairs on the side. Because you will have to... Yeah, you can just put it because we are now going to close. Or you can just put it on the side, edge. Okay.
And the target is on the...
Those things remain the same. Yep. So let's begin. Okay. 1 foot distance, and you can keep moving. You can go around and you can do all that. So even if you're going around, it's okay. Yeah. Then you can go like this, and you can do all that. So don't worry. You can use the whole space. Okay. Unlock your knees. You're standing on both feet. The feet are firmly placed on the ground. Yeah. We generally say that it's almost like the lizard holding the wall. Yeah, it's firmly placed. Knees slightly bent, spine erect. Relax your back. Hands hanging on sides, shoulders relaxed, spine erect, neck in alignment with the rest of the spine, head straight up, eyes looking straight ahead, and then tongue, tip of the tongue touching the back of the upper teeth. Bring your teeth closer, but they're not clenched, just about to touch each other. Looking straight into the horizon. You breathe into your belly. And now slowly move on to your right, onto your right hip. And remember, the shoulders remain the way it is. Right hip, move your left foot. First the heel down, bring it down completely. When the toes touch the floor, slowly move into the heel, into the foot, and then the other one. Just go on, you can go around and round. One foot is completely on, always. Yes, and you can just go on and on. And slow down. Knees remaining bent. You can go round and round, you can always go back. And as you do that, with every step, just be aware of your breath also. Go on. There's a lot of space here. Yeah. Some Chinese. It is. It is. Okay. When you feel complete, you can sit.